Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the use of VLOOKUP for starting. First, we create here employee ID column. Then, we make further headings, which includes name cell, our salary column, and last, our department column to know its name. After completing columns, we select whole columns and adjust the length of columns equally. Now we insert the employee's ID data. You can insert the employee's ID codes as per your own need. Now we simply need to drag down formula to save our time. Now we move to our employee name column. We have used random names. You can insert your own data as per requirements. We have used here most common names. After completing our name column, we move to our salary column. You can use random salaries or real data as well. To save our time, we have used random data in our example. Now, we move to our last heading. In the department column, we have used finance, accounts, and sales department. Now, drag down formula to apply same data. Now, we need to make our data presentable. First, make length adjustable. Or you can adjust the column's length equally. First, we change our alignment to our desired way. You can adjust alignment to left, right, or mid. Now, we select our headings. Go on Home tab, make color to cells. You can use your desired cell colors. You can also change font color as well. Now, we need to make border color. After selecting data, go on Home tab for Data All Borders. Now, we need to format our salary column. First, we select our salary column. Now, click on Format Cells options. Now, click on Currency option for more formats. You can increase or decrease decimals. You can increase zoom size. Now, make it more presentable. Now, we use here our VLOOKUP formula. First, we write here our headings. Here, we want our formula status or result. Now, we make here our border boxes. Now, we change here our cell color. You can use your own desired color. You can also remove background grid lines in the sheet. Go on Page Layout tab. Now, uncheck Grid Lines View option. Now, select Result cell to write formula. Select Employee ID cell. For table array, select Whole table. We need to select Whole table for data result. Now, we need our column number. We need name, so we select here to for name. Now, test our formula by inserting employee ID. You can make alignment more better by Home tab. Now, again test our formula. Now, we need to know the exact department so the department is in the fourth column. We only need to change column number 2 for because department is in the fourth column. Now, test our formula by changing column number. In this way, we only need to change column number. Now, we want to know salary of employee. We only need to change column number to salary. In this way, we will learn about VLOOKUP.